Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by preparing the phone and taking the first blocking steps. Enable developer options and confirm backups so you can undo changes if needed. This prevents data loss. Next, install a trusted ad blocker or DNS/privacy app from Play Store, then grant only the permissions it needs. Once done, open the app and select a blocking method, local VPN, system DNS, or host file edit, so you can proceed to detailed configuration in the next step. Now you configure the chosen method and fine-tune filters. If using VPN-based blocking, enable the local VPN and allow the app to intercept traffic. Import recommended filter lists and disable unnecessary trackers. If you prefer private DNS, go to Network and Internet Private DNS and enter a blocking provider. This reduces ads across apps. For rooted devices, edit the host's file or install a system-level ad blocker so that ad domains resolve to local. Finish by verifying and maintaining your setup. Open several apps and web pages to confirm ads are gone, then clear app caches and restart the phone if you see leftover banners. Make sure the ad blocking app runs on startup and filter lists stay updated. If something breaks, for example, streaming or in-app purchases fail, temporarily disable the VPN or DNS to isolate the cause, then re-enable selective blocking or whitelist the affected domains to restore functionality without losing ad protection.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.